to mix it.
How much do I pour?
No!
Oh, that's enough?
You're messing it up! We're going to start making a DIY dumpling out of dough. So first you add flour, and my dad's going to come and join us in a minute. And my dad's coming.
Okay, how am I going to squeeze in here? So this is everything we need. We got the plastics, and we got a pencil to draw with we got some markers right there.
Markers for what?
Whoa, there's a lot of light in here.
Yeah. And then you're just gonna...
What the heck is this? Who put this thing?
You.
Why is the water brown? Is this coffee water?
Yeah, and then you just grab like...
So what do we got here first?
Flour. And you just grab like
So we
3
need flour?
scoops. 3 scoops, that's all you need.
What's this?
The thing to wrap it. You only need 3 scoops because for a small dumpling. So, excuse me, Dad, I need 3 scoops. We all need 3 scoops just for a small little flour. 2.
Ah! Help!
3.
Ah!
Dad, come on! Get your spoon and get
Okay.
Stop playing around.
Oh, wait, just show me. Okay, so we got flour.
Yeah, so you get your spoon and put 3 scoops in it, like.
Okay, and I think 3 big scoops of flour.
No, however, I got 3 on big
like
ones.
this, or how much is this?
That just get 3 big ones.
What would you say this is? What size is this?
Like
a
large.
tablespoon.
Tablespoon, actually.
What's the other one
I
called?
think you should use this small
Wait,
one.
teaspoon. Is this a teaspoon or a tablespoon?
Teaspoon.
This is a teaspoon?
A tablespoon.
I think yours is teaspoon. Wait, which one's bigger?
Yours.
Show me. Okay, so this one is a tablespoon.
Okay.
And that one's a what?
Teaspoon.
Teaspoon.
What's
Why?
a teaspoon?
Because that one is a little smaller, and this is a table size. A table size.
Dad,
right?
Do you guys want to know how to flatten it like this? Look.
Okay.
Now look at that.
I got 3.
There you go. Look at that, Dad.
Okay, I got 3. Oh, you're flattening it. Let me see. Show it.
Just flat it.
Let's show the camera.
And just flat it
It's
nice
super
like
flat.
that. Don't drop it.
Wow.
Don't drop it. You're dropping
Whoa!
it. Just flat it super
Hey, where did my
nice.
spoon go?
And then you got a little tiny bit.
Wait, I want to flatten mine.
Flat
What is
it.
that?
A little bit of oil
What are you using oil for?
for the boom. You don't
Wow.
need too much.
Let's see. Whoa, that looks so cool. Whoa.
It's deflecting it.
Whoa.
It's actually deflecting it.
I want some.
You add some hot water. Please
I
don't do
want
this
some.
at home, guys. Please.
I want some.
I promise you guys to not do this at home.
Whoa.
Guys, I promise you to not do this at
Whoa,
home.
did you just get a hot coffee?
Yes, water, coffee, water.
Water, coffee, water? What the?
And then you start mixing it.
Okay,
If
so
you
I
want,
pour
you
some
could
of this?
dump it on here and mix it with your hands.
Did I pour some of this in here?
Yes, that can pour. Oh, pour actually. If you want, you could dump it in here to mix it.
How much did I pour?
No!
Oh, that's enough?
You're messing it up! Daddy.
Oh my goodness.
That's only.
How are you doing that without burning yourself?
Because I'm touching it really slowly. If you want, you could dump it on here. And
So I just mix it now?
Okay, I think I need more water. I don't know why.
They're expensive. Okay, so now where are we at? So what's going on?
We're still mixing it.
We're still mixing it. So what did we mix so far? We
Yeah,
mix flour,
Yeah.
smooth extra virgin oil.
So this is what you need, Dad. Look, see? Look at that.
Whoa, how come mine's gooey like this?
Because you add too much water. You have to make a new one.
I don't want to make a new one. I just want to add more.
Yeah, maybe add more, yeah.
Okay, what's next?
I need more powder, I think.
Yours looks really good.
I know, like, I'm a pro because I did a big
How come
one.
yours is way more cleaner than mine?
Because I did a big one with my mother.
It looks so good.
But
Can
it's
I
not
eat
a video, so don't try to know that.
Oh!
Dad. Oh my god.
Whoa. So you're using your hands. Whoa. What happened to your gloves?
I don't have gloves.
Okay, what else is happening?
Just keep on mixing it.
Okay, I'm mixing.
It's so much dough, guys.
I'm mixing.
Look, guys.
Okay.
Sometimes
Mine's good. I think I'm ready for the next step.
You Dad, it's really gooey.
What
You have to
the?
make dough.
Whoa.
Let's use my spoon. Okay, guys. After you have dough, maybe add water in the bottom, cause let's not playing around.
Ugh.
There we go.
You know what it smells like? Play-Doh.
I know.
It smells like Play-Doh. Is it Play-Doh or Play-Doh?
Play-Doh.
It
Okay,
really
guys.
smells like Play-Doh.
This is the
This is
dough.
what we eat?
That's how you make pizza. That's what we eat for pizza. That's not. It's not even cooked. Look at the dough, guys. This is how it came out.
Okay, now I got Play-Doh hands. Oh, are we gonna need this?
Yes, we're gonna need that.
No, I'm never trying that again.
Yeah, don't try it, Jason.
Okay, so we need a piece of, what is this?
Don't try it at home like my mom.
What is that?
Like
Saran paper?
yes.
Saran wrap?
This is for me though. Get your own. So make a ball like that, like a spear, and boom, put it there. Wrap it up. Wrap it. You guys have to wrap it good.
Is this gonna be enough right here?
Yeah, you don't need too much. And then you're gonna tape it, and boom, you get to squish a squishy.
Let me see. Let me try.
But first, you guys are gonna need tape. I have
Get
tape.
this out the way.
I have tape in my room.
Ah!
I have tape in my room, guys. I just gotta go wash my hands so no dough gets in there, huh? So leave mine there. I'll be here in a sec. I just gotta
Okay, you get that while I work on this.
Well, I wash my hands too.
Okay, so now I got the dough. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. What the? You already put yours in a ball? Yeah, I think I'm gonna need more paper. Oh my goodness. What just
Sorry if I
happened
took
to this
so long,
Savannah?
guys, but I have to.
Okay. Alright, I think we got... Oh, so we're making dumplings.
Yeah.
Okay, you should have said that in the beginning.
I
Okay.
just said we're making dumplings.
This is a real dumpling.
Oh my god, that's not real.
Okay, I got mine.
That
It
yours
feels
is not.
so soft.
Look
Yeah.
at mine. Look at mine. It's like dumpling dough.
What the heck? Okay,
I'm a
now
pro.
what's next?
Just fold
I
it.
want to write a smiley face on it.
Yep, get my. I'll go. Go
Yeah.
get my markers.
I'll go get it for you. Ah.
But make sure don't try this at home without an adult. Right, Dad?
Oh, correct.
Because you could burn yourself and concussions. You guys could die to burn, guys. That really hurts. You guys could die, actually.
Oh no, let's do that. Okay, so I got some markers. Now I can draw a smiley face on it.
Yes, you have to draw a smiley face.
I want a. How do I draw a iguana?
Iguana?
about
And
this?
taping, and you can squish.
How does that look?
Nice. Oh, Daddy, you need to tape it close.
Oh, that's why.
And squish, Daddy. And I have a squishy, guys. Make sure to not leave it outside for a long time in the heat. Because mine, I made a big version and it melted, right, Daddy?
Oh yeah.
It melted bad.
It melted and it got huge. There we go. Let's see yours.
There we go.
Oh, can I see
No
it?
face though. It's a wrap bandage one. So
Oh yeah.
it's a
So that's
person
how
that got
you do
hurt.
a raw dumpling.
Dad, can I make one out of this stuff?
Boom.
I just need hot water, that's all. Bah! There. I'm making a tiny baby one.
Perfect.
Dad, can you give me a tiny roll of this?
Tiny roll?
Yeah, tiny roll.
You
For
need a-
tiny.
Oh, you need a tiny little thingy?
Yeah, for this.
I could
Guys,
do
I'm
a-
making this tiny one.
I could do a tiny little. Oh wait.
Cute.
Oh! How adorable.
It's so adorable. I need the tape. Someone pass
Yes,
me the tape.
I got you tape.
Can you tape it right here?
Like this?
On the middle, yeah. Just tape it like another bandage, yeah.
Ow, ow, ow. Sorry, buddy.
It's okay, buddy.
There we go. We got a mini one. Woo!
Squish, squish.
Awesome, and that's how we do dumplings.
Yeah, my dad is really goozy, so.
And that's how you do dumplings.
Dad, it has a hole. You have to tighten it. Good.
Yeah.
It has a hole, Dad.
Cut.